suddenly abandon, have ability, develop ability, improve ability, mixed ability, physical ability, reasoning ability, great ability, intellectual ability, low ability, necessary ability, technical ability, academic ability, athletic ability, cognitive ability, comparability, creation ability, development ability, increase ability, integrate ability, language ability, leadership ability, limit ability, lose ability, natural ability, organization ability, personal ability, rare ability, reading ability, same ability, similar ability, special ability, strong ability, technological ability, unique ability, writing ability, barely able, worry about, care about, concern about, all about, boast about, go abroad, study abroad, travel abroad, live abroad, trip abroad, long absence, be absent, completely absorb, deeply absorb, fully absorb, totally absorb, so abundant, child abuse, drug abuse, stop abuse, military academy, have accent, strong accent, widely accept, certainly accept, be acceptable, most acceptable, gain acceptance, general acceptance, receive acceptance, widespread acceptance, have access, easy access, get access, information access, equal access, free access, give access, provide access, allow access, easily access, gain access, improve access, instant access, convenient access, deny access, facilitate access, internet access, lack access, offer access, restrict access, easily accessible, instantly accessible, traffic accident, road accident, car accident, have accident, reduce accident, fatal accident, industrial accident, serious accident, survive accident, automobile accident, cause accident, crash accident, driving accident, prevent accident, sheer accident, suffer accident, terrible accident, tragic accident, find accommodation, academic accomplishment, great accomplishment, overall accomplishment, sign accord, brief account, bank account, take account, witness account, activity account, cancel account, email account, joint account, open account, write account, business accounting, general accounting, check accuracy, be accurate, more accurate, extremely accurate, such accusation, be accustomed, so accustomed, throat ache, body ache, newly achieve, people achieve, academic achievement, make achievement, great achievement, low achievement, major achievement, educational achievement, high achievement, industry achievement, ordinary achievement, other achievement, personal achievement, scientific achievement, student achievement, superior achievement, tremendous achievement, report acknowledge, widely acknowledge, people acquire, newly acquire, go across, traffic act, balancing act, commit act, criminal act, perform act, physical act, specific act, take action, legal action, drastic action, prompt action, strong action, actual action, enemy action, executive action, government action, immediate action, perform action, quick action, repetitive action, keep active, physically active, equally active, mentally active, political activist, physical activity, social activity, sport activity, various activity, do activity, human activity, industrial activity, many activity, mental activity, brain activity, collective activity, craft activity, different activity, extracurricular activity, meaningful activity, organize activity, other activity, regular activity, research activity, such activity, teaching activity, academic activity, aerobic activity, campaign activity, cease activity, classroom activity, cognitive activity, common activity, compare activity, conduct activity, corporate activity, cultural activity, design activity, everyday activity, extra activity, individual activity, intellectual activity, leisure activity, main activity, major activity, monitor activity, more activity, nerve activity, normal activity, online activity, organized activity, outdoor activity, productive activity, public activity, repeat activity, repetitive activity, routine activity, school activity, single activity, specific activity, stop activity, volcanic activity, volunteer activity, wind activity, movie actor, television actor, TV ad, classified ad, newspaper ad, evolutionary adaptation, make adaptation, gaming addiction, drug addiction, important addition, recent addition, email address, new address, commencement address, mail address, special address, make adjustment, frequent adjustment, minor adjustment, similar adjustment, business administration, bureaucratic administration, efficient administration, excellent administration, facilitate administration, public administration, security administration, general administrator, hospital administrator, network administrator, express admiration, have admiration, free admission, hospital admission, own admission, seek admission, quick adoption, young adult, healthy adult, American adult, mature adult, other adult, early adulthood, late adulthood, young adulthood, technological advance, rapid advance, major advance, make advance, social advance, more advanced, so advanced, career advancement, personal advancement, rapid advancement, take advantage, have advantage, clear advantage, full advantage, additional advantage, competitive advantage, distinct advantage, economic advantage, enormous advantage, equal advantage, maintain advantage, unfair advantage, job advertise, read advertisement, make advertisement, mass advertising, do advertising, radio advertising, TV advertising, seek advice, follow advice, offer advice, professional advice, get advice, give advice, good advice, provide advice, such advice, further advice, author advice, expert advice, lawyer advice, strongly advise, military advisor, career advisor, academic affair, domestic affair, financial affair, handle affair, international affair, local affair, manage affair, own affair, personal affair, run affair, also affect, have affect, seriously affect, change affect, adversely affect, commonly affect, disease affect, disproportionately affect, dramatically affect, factor affect, gravity affect, greatly affect, hardly affect, heavily affect, illness affect, most affect, show affection, self-affirmation, more affluent, people afford, most affordable, stay afloat, be afraid, North Africa, South Africa, good afternoon, early afternoon, spend afternoon, happen again, think again, try again, defense against, discriminate against, old age, retirement age, early age, middle age, new age, advanced age, digital age, golden age, pension age, ice age, average age, own age, reach age, same age, adult age, certain age, full age, information age, school age, tender age, young age, travel agency, government agency, federal agency, advertising agency, top agency, estate agency, local agency, state agency, travel agent, house agent, estate agent, verbal aggression, very aggressive, most aggressive, decade ago, expert agree, also agree, always agree, certainly agree, generally agree, quite agree, scientist agree, reach agreement, general agreement, negotiate agreement, trade agreement. African agriculture, go ahead, financial aid, foreign aid, government aid, teaching aid, have aim, clear aim, common aim, specific aim. Ultimate aim, fresh air, clean air, outdoor air, large aircraft, budget airline, major airline, near airport, Australian airport, sound alarm. Cause alarm, activate alarm, false alarm, trigger alarm, quite alarming, sell alcohol, buy alcohol, drink alcohol, strong alcohol, avoid alcohol. Orange alert, boost alertness, maintain alertness, look alike, be alive, remain alive, still allow, sit alone, eat alone, live alone. Go along, sing along, greatly alter, fundamentally alter, need alteration, be alternative, good alternative, high altitude, disappear altogether, be always. Almost always, really amazed, have ambition, social ambition, be ambitious, highly ambitious, socially ambitious, too ambitious, South America, Asian Americans. Increase amount, large amount, small amount, certain amount, reduce amount, great amount, right amount, considerable amount, daily amount, enormous amount, excessive amount, expense amount, income amount, incredible amount, insufficient amount, limit amount, measure amount, pay amount, same amount, significant amount, specific amount, tiny amount, data analysis, classification analysis, conduct analysis, financial analysis, market analyst, human ancestor, raise anchor, arouse anger, express anger, show anger, widespread anger, get angry, extremely angry, very angry, become angry, other animal, wild animal, farm animal, like animal, eat animal, hunt animal, little animal, small animal, baby animal, feed animal, kill animal, lovely animal, raise animal, rare animal, social animal, tiny animal, computer animation, twist ankle, wedding anniversary, recently announce, news announcer, radio announcer, be annoyed. Remain anonymous, good answer, short answer, have answer, get answer, definite answer, right answer, question answer, check answer, correct answer, give answer, obvious answer, find answer, possible answer, provide answer, simple answer, eagerly anticipate, priceless antique, reflect anxiety, suffer anxiety. Almost anywhere, live apart, tear apart, rent apartment, afford apartment, find apartment, furnished apartment, new apartment, share apartment, small apartment. Sleep apnea, make apologize, make apology, owe apology, reject apology, become apparent, more apparent, have appeal, emotional appeal, broaden appeal, strong appeal, extend appeal, great appeal, increase appeal, lose appeal, make appeal, more appealing, first appear, news appear, usually appear, suddenly appear, physical appearance, outward appearance, similar appearance, spoil appearance, reduce appetite, healthy appetite, improve appetite, faulty appliance, kitchen appliance, electric appliance, use appliance, job applicant, interview applicant, mail applicant, base application, business application, commercial application, daily application, initial application, job application, new application, practical application, submit application, wide application, widespread application, right application, successfully apply, make appointment, arrange appointment, have appointment, confirm appointment, miss appointment, new appointment, next appointment, urgent appointment, much appreciate, music appreciation, show appreciation, young apprentice, take approach, different approach, new approach, positive approach, adopt approach, advocate approach, change approach, current approach, death approach, find approach, flexible approach, same approach, scientific approach, slowly approach, straightforward approach, traditional approach, usual approach, morally appropriate, fit appropriately, win approval, final approval, government approval, personal approval, authority approve, newly approve, parliament approve, urban area, rural area, affected area, many area, nearby area, residential area, certain area, coastal area, downtown area, natural area, open area, artistic area, cover area, damaged area, different area, evacuate area, explore area, financial area, grassy area, gray area, hot area, inland area, isolated area, leave area, locate area, mountain area, move area, new area, other area, outside area, particular area, play area, problem area, small area, sport area, study area, substantial area, treatment area, vast area, wide area, author argue, expert argue, critic argue, avoid argument, settle argument, convincing argument, important argument, same argument, strong argument, problem arise, conflict arise, disagreement arise, dispute arise, do arithmetic, hire army, join army, leave army, travel around, move around, run around, living arrangement, make arrangement, other arrangement, poor arrangement, police arrest, late arrival, new arrival, train arrive, policeman arrive, liberal art, decorative art, engineering art, fine art, handicraft art, literature art, ancient art, create art, study art, newspaper article, read article, write article, feature article, magazine article, recent article, review article, too artificial, contemporary artist, graffiti artist, creative artist, famous artist, graphic artist, feel ashamed, frequently ask, constantly ask, recently ask, fall asleep, be asleep, American Association, important aspect, many aspect, various aspect, certain aspect, positive aspect, academic aspect, business aspect, central aspect, consider aspect, financial aspect, military aspect, negative aspect, other aspect, study aspect, technical aspect, theoretical aspect, take aspirin, self-assessment, do assessment, health assessment, honest assessment, mental assessment, state assessment, financial asset, fixed asset, intangible asset, precious asset, randomly assign, so assign, task assign, finish assignment, reading assignment, accept assignment, class assignment, daily assignment, difficult assignment, do assignment, essay assignment, homework assignment, job assignment, overseas assignment, read assignment, task assignment, write assignment, writing assignment, public assistance, virtual assistant, sale assistant, shop assistant, teaching assistant, personal assistant, research assistant, business associate, research associate, national association, form association, medical association, close association, dietetic association, education association, student association, word association, people assume, automatically assume, wrong assumption, false assumption, make assumption, question assumption, reasonable assumption, most astonishing, young athlete, professional athlete, North Atlantic, cross Atlantic, have atmosphere, quiet atmosphere, earth atmosphere, create atmosphere, harmonious atmosphere, work atmosphere, hydrogen atom, oxygen atom, heart attack, targeted attack, violent attack, launch attack, make attack, deadly attack, enemy attack, experience attack, fierce attack, prevent attack, surprise attack, virus attack, educational attainment, early attempt, few attempt, first attempt, recently attend, class attendance, parking attendant, pay attention, more attention, attract attention, draw attention, much attention, focus attention, public attention, close attention, get attention, give attention, catch attention, deserve attention, gain attention, hold attention, require attention, call attention, capture attention, great attention, immediate attention, national attention, receive attention, special attention, turn attention, complete attention, customer attention, distract attention, enough attention, extra attention, full attention, have attention, increase attention, keep attention, less attention, little attention, merit attention, parental attention, serious attention, sufficient attention, utmost attention, world attention, more attentive, change attitude, have attitude, adopt attitude, affect attitude, casual attitude, critical attitude, different attitude, emotion attitude, general attitude, hostile attitude, negative attitude, pessimistic attitude, positive attitude, strong attitude, tough attitude, district attorney, increasingly attract, tourist attraction, big attraction, great attraction, new attraction, more attractive, very attractive, especially attractive, sound attractive, large audience, target audience, attract audience, different audience, entertain audience, broad audience, diverse audience, mass audience, modern audience, narrow audience, sympathetic audience, TV audience, prove authenticity, lead author, popular author, report author, most authoritative, aviation authority, federal authority, local authority, school authority, academic authority, airports authority, central authority, education authority, government authority, leader authority, state authority, transportation authority, adjust automatically, small automobile, be available, become available, readily available, commercially available, widely available, Fifth Avenue, New Avenue, whole avenue, civil aviation, stay awake, be awake, achievement award, monetary award, receive award, win award, be aware, become aware, more aware, quite aware, fully aware, painfully aware, enhance awareness, public awareness, raise awareness, consumer awareness, increase awareness, environmental awareness, improve awareness, sudden awareness, take away, run away, far away, move away, idle away, have baby, female baby, unborn baby, go back, sit back, turn back, move back, trace back, way back, call back, drive back, hurry back, stay back, step back. Educational background, racial background, academic background, different background, economic background, engineering background, ethnic background, family background, financial background, have background. Plastic bag, carry bag, cloth bag, open bag, paper bag, life balance, maintain balance, strike balance, achieve balance, keep balance, create balance, find balance, get balance, lose balance, pressure balance, proper balance, properly balance, restore balance, retain balance, tip balance, throw ball, cotton ball, kick ball, absentee ballot, total ban, effectively ban, enforce ban, fishing ban, impose ban, law ban, worldwide ban, same band, rob bank, federal bank, food bank, international bank, investment bank, other bank, reserve bank, world bank, investment banking, online banking, go bankrupt, large banner, grand banquet, prepare banquet, metal bar, good bargain, great barrier, single barrier. Knowledge base, language base, customer base, economy base, have base, information base, partly base, research base, ocean basin, unequal basis. Consistent basis, daily basis, have basis, ongoing basis, regular basis, scientific basis, empty basket, waste paper basket, weave basket, play basketball. New batch, hot bath, take bath, use bathroom, recharge battery, custody battle, people B, thing B, problem B, then B. However B, now B, question B, also B, hope B, perhaps B, probably B, actually B, let B, nor B. Really B, news B, certainly B, indeed B, just B, suggestion B, there B, unfortunately B, currently B, maybe B. Object B, administration B, afterwards B, already B, either B, fortunately B, next B, reaction B, lovely beach, coffee bean. Child bear, black bear, baby bear, heartbeat, look beautiful, appear beautiful, most beautiful, really beautiful, natural beauty, female beauty. Scenic beauty, mainly because, partly because, probably because, now become, likely become, however become, soon become, eventually become, also become. Suddenly become, then become, thing become, gradually become, problem become, make bed, ocean bed, like beer, drink beer, excellent beer. Make beer, serve beer, just before, just begin, month begin, finally begin, movement begin, problem begin, soon begin, year begin. Very beginning, mark beginning, child behave, well behave, human behavior, change behavior, influence behavior, normal behavior, imitate behavior, proper behavior. Such behavior, aggressive behavior, angry behavior, astonishing behavior, bad behavior, different behavior, improper behavior, mental behavior, regulate behavior, shopping behavior. Stupid behavior, typical behavior, unhealthy behavior, usual behavior, violent behavior, wild behavior, bad behavior, impulsive behavior, aggressive behavior, inappropriate behavior. Violent behavior, lag behind, fall behind, human being, intelligent being, popular belief, common belief, profound belief, such belief, confirm belief. Firm belief, fundamental belief, misguided belief, own belief, reinforce belief, religious belief, share belief, shared belief, similar belief, people believe. Author believe, scientist believe, also believe, expert believe, researcher believe, still believe, commonly believe, firmly believe, mistakenly believe, really believe. Strongly believe, church bell, go below, corn belt, fasten belt, seat belt, park bench, most beneficial, ultimately beneficial, health benefit. Have benefit, economic benefit, immediate benefit, bring benefit, get benefit, gain benefit, great benefit, actually benefit, different benefit, educational benefit. Offer benefit, pay benefit, provide benefit, real benefit, social benefit, child benefit, additional benefit, considerable benefit, derive benefit, disability benefit. Enormous benefit, few benefit, generous benefit, give benefit, global benefit, huge benefit, important benefit, main benefit, obtain benefit, potential benefit. Psychological benefit, receive benefit, retirement benefit, similar benefit, truly benefit, unemployment benefit, way benefit, health benefits, good bad, popular beverage. Gender bias, personal bias, cultural bias, implicit bias, electric bicycle, hire bicycle, repair bicycle, accept bid, too big, electric bike, mountain bike, ride bike, racing bike, rent bike, pay bill, large bill, medical bill, reform bill, fuel bill, pass bill, phone bill, spend billion, pet bird, give birth, celebrate birthday, ninth birthday, dog biscuit, fight bite, feel bitter, assign blame, be blank, baby blanket, stare blankly, stomach bleeding, mixed blessing, building block, next block, central block, first block, road block, right block, human blood, wind blow, dark blue, light blue, drawing board, electricity board, bulletin board, discussion board, safety board, school board, corporate boardroom, fishing boat, small boat, build boat, human body, student body, dead body, global body, independent body, own body, water boil, hydrogen bomb, make bomb, emotional bond, junk bond, government bond, social bond, strengthen bond, strong bond, weaken bond, social bonding, receive bonus, read book, print book, new book, history book, buy book, cookbook, write book, digital book, first book, child book, comic book, course book, geography book, management book, sell book, checkbook, academic book, borrow book, close book, donate book, edit book, interesting book, publish book, recent book, return book, simple book, special book, such book, traditional book, assemble bookshelf, baby boom, oil boom, baby boomer, big boost, major boost, phone booth, cross border, national border, across border, outside border, feel bored, get bored, be boring, quite boring, really boring, company boss, immediate boss, inform boss, have bother, plastic bottle, soda bottle, drink bottle, glass bottle, across boundary, clear boundary, cross boundary, expand boundary, mark boundary, within boundary, small bowl, lunch box, black box, plastic box, wooden box, cardboard box, control box, little box, love box, open box, red box, small box, little boy, young boy, school boy, baby boy, neighborhood boy, talented boy, toy boy, white boy, have boyfriend, human brain, left brain, right brain, local branch, international branch, new branch, create brand, good brand, lead brand, local brand, airline brand, car brand, excellent brand, famous brand, favorite brand, foreign brand, global brand, international brand, luxury brand, new brand, other brand, particular brand, same brand, several brand, fight bravely, eat bread, stale bread, white bread, take break, short break, tea break, easily break, egg break, link break, weekend break, without break, nervous breakdown, suffer breakdown, eat breakfast, balanced breakfast, have breakfast, skip breakfast, affordable breakfast, full breakfast, healthy breakfast, make breakfast, technological breakthrough, major breakthrough, animal breeding, across bridge, build bridge, road bridge, stone bridge, lose briefcase, so bright, unusually bright, that bring, eventually bring, Great Britain, news broadcast, estate broker, little brother, old brother, twin brother, young brother, clean brush, paint brush, use brush, lunch bucket, taste bud, balance budget, education budget, federal budget, family budget, government budget, limited budget, manage budget, national budget, research budget, small budget, welfare budget, house build, how build, home builder, many building, office building, green building, large building, old building, city building, historical building, house building, new building, school building, tall building, administration building, ancient building, apartment building, beautiful building, commercial building, construct building, design building, enter building, entire building, famous building, farm building, first building, front building, high building, important building, inside building, main building, modern building, round building, team building, bright bulb, light bulb, vast bulk, silver bullet, magic bullet, read bulletin, speed bomb, tiny bomb, financial burden, family burden, heavy burden, bear burden, economic burden, impose burden, overburden, share burden, shoulder burden, terrible burden, unbearable burden, census bureau, education bureaucracy, large bureaucracy, fire burn, get burn, seriously burn, suffer burn, catch boss, take boss, own business, start business, do business, restaurant business, big business, new business, small business, expand business, family business, consumer business, entertainment business, film business, government business, local business, profitable business, risky business, traditional business, international business, alcohol business, build business, clothing business, communication business, design business, different business, domestic business, global business, huge business, inherit business, join business, large business, launch business, lose business, other business, overseas business, private business, professional business, publishing business, rental business, retail business, technology business, tobacco business, rich businesswoman, be busy, too busy, very busy, extremely busy, so busy, click button, play button, press button, when buy, immediately buy, just buy, likely buy, where buy, potential buyer, effectively bypass, aircraft cabin, file cabinet, kitchen cabinet, locked cabinet, telegraph cable, undersea cable, cut cable, chocolate cake, bake cake, large cake, make cake, accurately calculate, do calculation, easy calculation, pocket calculator, Chinese calendar, have call, make call, phone call, give call, frequent call, get call, answer call, hear call, incoming call, just call, last call, quick call, simply call, urgent call, keep calm, so calm, contain calorie, daily calorie, empty calorie, burn calorie, extra calorie, security camera, good camera, digital camera, focus camera, training camp, launch campaign, ad campaign, promotion campaign, recent campaign, support campaign, join campaign, local campaign, social campaign, go camping, college campus, university campus, visit campus, Grand Canal, skin cancer, breast cancer, have cancer, lung cancer, aggressive cancer, cause cancer, detect cancer, prevent cancer, presidential candidate, good candidate, single candidate, wear cap, develop capability, new capability, more capable, appear capable, equally capable, memory capacity, augment capacity, brain capacity, enlarge capacity, enormous capacity, expand capacity, have capacity, influence capacity, intelligence capacity, new capacity, seeding capacity, material capital, need capital, state capital, image capture, drive car, buy car, use car, park car, sell car, steal car, own car, German car, new car, motor car, borrow car, electric car, first car, leave car, need car, passenger car, stop car, wash car, dining car, fuel car, lose car, old car, police car, private car, produce car, rent car, repair car, second-hand car, sport car, start car, test car, credit card, loyalty card, bank card, calling card, new card, play card, report card, use card. Take care, health care, medical care, child care, good care, patient care, primary care, provide care, receive care, residential care. Great care, professional care, actually care, critical care, extra care, parental care, particular care, personal care, really care, routine care. Tender care, start career, pursue career, successful career, change career, writing career, balance career, extend career, new career, stable career. Academic career, affect career, begin career, business career, college career, different career, early career, future career, life career, prosperous career. Science career, more careful, especially careful, very careful, listen carefully, think carefully, examine carefully, assess carefully, consider carefully, prepare carefully. Baby carriage, mail carrier, water carrier, people carry, spacecraft carry, shopping cart, push cart, small cart, see cartoon, many case. Most case, bad case, present case, document case, classic case, controversial case, emergency case, good case, jewel case, make case. Several case, unfortunate case, use case, cold cash, need cash, few casualty, domestic cat, large cat, pet cat, wild cat. Whole catalog, eventually catch, then catch, standard category, raise cattle, have cause, main cause, often cause, analyze cause, major cause. Potential cause, cancer cause, chief cause, determine cause, disease cause, explosion cause, find cause, flood cause, incident cause, possible cause. Real cause, understand cause, warming cause, worthy cause, extreme caution, more cautious, act cautiously, deep cave, most celebrated, birthday celebration. Joyous celebration, animal cell, brain cell, cancer cell, nerve cell, use cell phone, percent, shopping center, research center, care center. City center, medical center, childcare center, daycare center, health center, special center, academic center, airport center, fitness center, launch center. Movement center, recovery center, safety center, sports center, treatment center, operation center, control center, shopping center, city center, heritage center. News center, research center, training center, urban center, 20th century, early century, during century, half century, last century, 19th century. Past century, first century, new century, next century, 19th century, 20th century, graduation ceremony, attend ceremony, award ceremony, opening ceremony. Religious ceremony, wedding ceremony, almost certainly, birth certificate, only certificate, food chain, big chain, restaurant chain, small chain, hotel chain. National chain, comfortable chair, appoint chairman, face challenge, new challenge, big challenge, meet challenge, pose challenge, great challenge, confront challenge. Academic challenge, enjoy challenge, further challenge, lack challenge, mental challenge, overcome challenge, remain challenge, such challenge, various challenge, intellectually challenging. Physically challenging, quite challenging, become champion, chess champion, national champion, have chance, give chance, get chance, good chance, offer chance. Second chance, less chance, little chance, same chance, affect chance, diminish chance, equal chance, fair chance, increase chance, low chance. Only chance, rare chance, real chance, reduce chance, become chancellor, have change, climate change, make change, technological change, radical change, big change, keep change, profound change, significant change, small change, social change, constantly change, gradually change, policy change, rapid change, take change, consider change, demographic change, difficult change, get change, introduce change, life change, likely change, major change, measure change, pattern change, thing change, event change, need change, potential change, career change, cost change, complete change, constant change, create change, detect change, dramatic change, drastic change, economic change, effect change, enormous change, even change, evolutionary change, fast change, frequent change, fundamental change, further change, great change, habit change, height change, historical change, idea change, important change, lifestyle change, main change, meaning change, monitor change, necessary change, never change, normal change, note change, other change, permanently change, positive change, practice change, price change, produce change, quickly change, radically change, remarkable change, report change, rule change, simple change, situation change, state change, subtle change, successfully change, such change, sudden change, surprising change, sweeping change, temperature change, totally change, way change, weather change, world change, television channel, cable channel, different channel, TV channel, read chapter, strong character, central character, changeable character, charming character, create character, different character, invent character, new character, shape character, theme character, TV character, unique character, personality characteristic, background characteristic, basic characteristic, behavioral characteristic, certain characteristic, examine characteristic, female characteristic, male characteristic, more characteristic, other characteristic, personal characteristic, physical characteristic, property characteristic, take charge, criminal charge, critic charge, phone charger, great charm, luck charm, personal charm, resist charm, have chat, very cheap, security check, health check, background check, cash check, conduct check, undergo check, have check, reality check, regular check, simple check, annual checkup, regular checkup, thorough checkup, extremely cheerful, have cheese, top chef, executive chef, head chef, famous chef, young chef, basic chemical, play chess, medicine chest, have child, young child, many child, teach child, other child, small child, only child, first child, adult child, bright child, educate child, old child, raise child, treat child, adopt child, bear child, poor child, encourage child, normal child, own child, preschool child, school child, active child, infant child, last child, protect child, rescue child, save child, talented child, trained child, unborn child, want child, affordable childcare, since childhood, early childhood, wind chill, too chilly, ancient China, speak Chinese, potato chip, bargaining chip, white chocolate, good choice, make choice, rational choice, have choice, multiple choice, other choice, first choice, hard choice, individual choice, life choice, top choice, wrong choice, deliberate choice, difficult choice, easy choice, educational choice, great choice, healthy choice, much choice, obvious choice, offer choice, only choice, path choice, practical choice, realistic choice, sensible choice, various choice, wise choice, people choose, rationally choose, free choose, Christian church, Episcopal church, light cigarette, academic circle, vicious circle, scientific circle, virtuous circle, entertainment circle, expand circle, form circle, integrate circuit, increase circulation, national circulation, individual circumstance, difficult circumstance, life circumstance, other circumstance, special circumstance, specific circumstance, commonly cite, report cite, senior citizen, ordinary citizen, American citizen, good citizen, wealthy citizen, young citizen, big city, other city, African city, large city, many city, new city, old city, only city, small city, American city, beautiful city, capital city, coastal city, desert city, different city, entire city, great city, major city, most city, outside city, overcrowded city, tourism city, save civilization, ancient civilization, global civilization, old civilization, world civilization, good claim, legal claim, make claim, scientist claim, support claim, great clarity, middle class, take class, after class, attend class, same class, evening class, graduating class, have class, miss class, working class, advisory class, cooking class, free class, literature class, new class, offer class, online class, small class, teach class, upper class, art class, business class, dance class, do class, economy class, exercise class, fitness class, graduate class, introductory class, kindergarten class, language class, large class, last class, management class, science class, social class, summer class, whole class, old classic, officially classify, school classroom, kindergarten classroom, keep clean, perfectly clean, household cleaner, pipe cleaner, do cleaning, dry cleaning, very clear, abundantly clear, less clear, pretty clear, express clearly, hotel clerk, senior clerk, bank clerk, regular client, foreign client, new client, limestone cliff, rock cliff, affect climate, cold climate, favorable climate, moral climate, world climate, steep climb, mountain climbing, alarm clock, turn clock, atomic clock, biological clock, round clock, very close, dangerously close, watch closely, collaborate closely, look closely, temporary closing, white clothing, dust cloud, form cloud, huge cloud, car club, local club, sport club, give clue, training coach, life coach, south coast, along coast, east coast, white coat, fur coat, lab coat, new coat, wear coat, access code, strict code, building code, digital code, follow code, new code, zip code, change code, complex code, dress code, enforce code, instant coffee, drink coffee, drinking coffee, make coffee, offer coffee, take coffee, silver coin, common cold, catch cold, bitter cold, quite cold, so cold, terrible cold, building collapse, prevent collapse, wear collar, white collar, male colleague, library collection, great collection, permanent collection, tax collector, rubbish collector, community college, enter college, local college, American college, university college, art college, attend college, choose college, different college, good college, nearby college, private college, start college, state college, form colony, different color, white color, light color, skin color, bright color, eye color, Favorite color. Dark collar. Slender column. Good combination. Man calm. May calm. People calm. Bus calm. Change calm. First calm. Just calm. Never calm. Person calm. Probably calm. Rain calm. Sound calm. Then calm. Always calm. Answer calm. Information calm. Moment calm. Mother calm. Question calm. Relief calm. Give comfort. Material comfort. Physical comfort. Be comfortable. More comfortable. Feel comfortable. Most comfortable. Live comfortably. Good command. Poor command. Give comment. Good comment. Brief comment. Critical comment. Post comment. Relevant comment. Valuable comment. Right comment. Television commercial. TV commercial. European Commission. Federal Commission. Government Commission. National Commission. Trade Commission. Make commitment. Firm commitment. Require commitment. Show commitment. Executive Committee. Special Committee. Export commodity. Most common. More common. Quite common. Become common. Fairly common. Pretty common. So common. Become commonplace. Effective communication. Electronic communication. Facilitate communication. Business communication. Global communication. Enable communication. Interpersonal communication. Affect communication. Daily communication. Early communication. Hinder communication. Mobile communication. Oral communication. Radio communication. Science communication. Social communication. Transportation communication. Local community. Build community. Poor community. Traditional community. American community. Medical community. Business community. Culture community. Development community. Economic community. Farming community. Forum community. Immigrant community. Large community. New community. Online community. Organization community. Popular community. People commute. Food company. Big company. Large company. Other company. Private company. Electronic company. Many company. Own company. Run company. Tech company. Training company. More company. American company. Car company. Card company. Film company. Insurance company. International company. Keep company. Parent company. Phone company. Railroad company. Service company. Research company. Beverage company. Branch company. Build company. Call company. Construction company. Drink company. Education company. Electric company. Engineering company. Established company. Famous company. Foreign company. Found company. Giant company. Global company. Individual company. Internet company. Mail company. Marketing company. Nation company. New company. Pharmaceutical company. Postal company. Publishing company. Rival company. Software company. Space company. Successful company. Sue company. Telegraph company. Tobacco company. Make comparison. More compensate. Demand compensation. Extra compensation. Provide compensation. More competent. Fierce competition. Chess competition. Amateur competition. Business competition. Global competition. Increase competition. International competition. More competition. National competition. Open competition. Recent competition. Unfair competition. Win competition. Be competitive. Globally competitive. Highly competitive. Increasingly competitive. Most competitive. Worthy competitor. Seldom complain. Customer complaint. Frequent complaint. Common complaint. Hear complaint. Make complaint. Constant complaint. Consumer complaint. File complaint. Receive complaint. Write complaint. Almost complete. So complete. Prohibit completely. Successful completion. Be complex. Very complex. Huge complex. Immensely complex. Industrial complex. More complex. Quite complex. so complex, increase complexity, more complicated, be complicated, too complicated, get complicated, most complicated, very complicated, emotional component, central component, such component, right composition, base composition, chemical composition, musical composition, organic compound, reading comprehension, listening comprehension, make compromise. Personal computer, use computer, own computer, buy computer, portable computer, assemble computer, aircraft computer, central computer, mainframe computer, operate computer. Tablet computer, partially conceal, enhance concentration, high concentration, improve concentration, understand concept, old concept, own concept, popular concept, popularize concept. Wrong concept, different conception, mistaken conception, be concern, big concern, chief concern, main concern, primary concern, only concern, common concern. Express concern, increase concern, public concern, real concern, report concern, show concern, top concern, widespread concern, more concerned, too concerned. Primarily concerned, report conclude, draw conclusion, final conclusion, own conclusion, practical conclusion, same conclusion, specific conclusion, working condition, health condition. Improve condition, traffic condition, good condition, poor condition, road condition, air condition, physical condition, such condition, warm condition, difficult condition. Mental condition, perfect condition, rare condition, bad condition, basic condition, comfortable condition, create condition, dry condition, excellent condition, extreme condition. Financial condition, harsh condition, have condition, healthy condition, limited condition, medical condition, other condition, same condition, serious condition, air conditioner. Air conditioning, attend conference, press conference, business conference, national conference, news conference, have confidence, more confidence, self-confidence, gain confidence. Undermine confidence, boost confidence, build confidence, get confidence, great confidence, increase confidence, little confidence, more confident, become confident, overconfident. Seem confident, feel confident, most confident, very confident, already confirm, avoid conflict, experience conflict, handle conflict, manage conflict, resolve conflict. Be conflict, character conflict, constant conflict, avoid confrontation, cultural confrontation, quite confused, somewhat confused, rather confusing, utterly confusing, very confusing. Cause confusion, such confusion, traffic congestion, urban congestion, feel connection, have connection, make connection, build connection, emotional connection, establish connection. Good connection, improve connection, internet connection, new connection, personal connection, strong connection, be conscious, fully conscious, health conscious, more conscious. Most conscious, control consciously, lose consciousness, national consciousness, self-consciousness, general consensus, reach consensus, have consequence, serious consequence, bad consequence. Consider consequence, disastrous consequence, examine consequence, deadly consequence, economic consequence, grave consequence, harmful consequence, negative consequence, energy conservation, nature conservation. Carefully consider, seriously consider, still consider, certainly consider, even consider, hardly consider, truly consider, widely consider, very considerably, give consideration. Careful consideration, major consideration, financial consideration, further consideration, global consideration, important consideration, Primary consideration. Top consideration. Ensure consistency. Further consolidation. Building construction. American Constitution. Newly construct. Highway construction. Capital construction. Technology construction. More constructive. Communication consultant. Time consume. Average consumer. Advise consumer. Become consumer. Inform consumer. Overseas consumer. Persuade consumer. Smart consumer. Young consumer. Energy consumption. Reduce consumption. Cut consumption. Calorie consumption. Electricity consumption. Excessive consumption. Food consumption. Gas consumption. Increase consumption. Low consumption. Promote consumption. Universal consumption. Water consumption. Eye contact. Direct contact. Have contact. Lose contact. Make contact. Avoid contact. Close contact. Social contact. Box contain. Self-contain. Lunch container. Beverage container. Plastic container. Small container. Special container. Bacterial contamination. Multimedia content. Calorie content. High content. Rich content. Salt content. Sugar content. Contain content. Create content. Detailed content. Digital content. Protein content. Win contest. Athletic contest. Olympic contest. Photo contest. Other context. Across continent. European continent. Situation continue. Finalize contract. Sign contract. Business contract. Fulfill contract. Labor contract. Negotiate contract. Striking contrast. Make contribution. Great contribution. Acknowledge contribution. Appreciate contribution. Economic contribution. Financial contribution. Important contribution. Major contribution. Small contribution. Social contribution. Big contributor. Significant contributor. Alcohol control. Have control. Self-control. Be control. Lose control. Disease control. Exercise control. Give control. Quality control. Strict control. Birth control. Absolute control. Appetite control. Automatic control. Completely control. Crisis control. Development control. Force control. Gene control. Government control. Intentional control. Parental control. Pollution control. Properly control. Remote control. Take control. Traffic control. Weight control. Computer controller. Cause controversy. Main controversy. Scientific controversy. Great convenience. Much convenience. Very convenient. More convenient. Hear conversation. Long conversation. Short conversation. Hold conversation. During conversation. Informal conversation. Phone conversation. Word convey. Particularly convincing. Quite convincing. Good cook. Quick cook. Electric cooker. Do cooking. Like cooking. Keep cool. International cooperation. Exact copy. Extra copy. Make copy. Hard copy. Spare copy. Have copyright. Around corner. Street corner. Multinational corporation. American corporation. Business corporation. Big corporation. Finance corporation. International corporation. Society corporation. Medical corps. Politically correct. Act correctly. Identify correctly. Pronounce correctly. Spell correctly. Political correctness. Roughly correspond. High cost. Production cost. Cut cost. Low cost. Financial cost. Health cost. Increase cost. Cost. Higher cost. Labor cost. Lower cost. Medical cost. Add cost. Additional cost. Affordable cost. Annual cost. Average cost. Construction cost. Control cost. Educational cost. Expense cost. Great cost. Minimize cost. Outweigh cost. Overall cost. Pay cost. Reduce cost. Regulation cost. Save cost. Substantial cost. training cost, trim cost, ultimate cost, less costly, too costly, more costly, thatched cottage, organic cotton, pure cotton, bad cough, dry cough, persistent cough, city council, town council, consumer council, national council, resources council, career counseling, seat counseling, see counselor, career counselor, blood count, male counterpart, female counterpart, developed country, many country, other country, across country, rich country, European country, most country, neighboring country, poor country, visit country, home country, small country, western country, African country, around country, beautiful country, democratic country, developed country, different country, explore country, foreign country, individual country, led country, own country, populous country, several country, typical country, various country, wealthy country, across countryside, open countryside, old couple, young couple, married couple, first couple, admire courage, gather courage, very courageous, take course, evening course, online course, offer course, art course, attend course, choose course, golf course, important course, main course, optional course, popular course, school course, traditional course, various course, advanced course, change course, college course, computer course, correct course, degree course, design course, finish course, history course, literature course, management course, marketing course, math course, most course, music course, open course, particular course, physics course, practical course, reading course, science course, typical course, Supreme Court, album cover, completely cover, foot cover, read cover, wide coverage, have coverage, low coverage, well covered, wall covering, cash cow, tiny crack, art craft, learn craft, plane crash, air crash, computer crash, cause crash, prevent crash, train crash, ice cream, have cream, how create, constantly create, when create, already create, first create, program create, artistic creation, encourage creativity, enhance creativity, kill creativity, boost creativity, cultivate creativity, foster creativity, inspire creativity, show creativity, live creature, ocean creature, give credit, proper credit, employ crew, exhausted crew, violent crime, vehicle crime, commit crime, local crime, report crime, street crime, economic crisis, current crisis, energy crisis, financial crisis, midlife crisis, environmental crisis, experience crisis, possible crisis, during crisis, electricity crisis, face crisis, health crisis, oil crisis, personal crisis, present crisis, prevent crisis, solve crisis, use criterion, longtime critic, highly critical, more critical, ignore criticism, sharp criticism, take criticism, constructive criticism, draw criticism, make criticism, article criticize, wheat crop, cereal crop, food crop, important crop, border crossing, pedestrian crossing, attract crowd, large crowd, same crowd, too crowded, more crucial, breadcrumb, visual cue, Chinese cuisine, authentic cuisine, classic cuisine, different culture, American culture, Asian culture, corporate culture, traditional culture, human culture, own culture, across culture, agrarian culture, common culture, company culture, native culture, popular culture, preserve culture, race culture, strong culture, Western culture, World Cup, paper cup, food cupboard, find cure, effective cure, miracle cure, possible cure, satisfy curiosity, have curiosity, natural curiosity, more curious. Quite curious, very curious, ocean current, electrical current, warm current, academic curriculum, school curriculum, design curriculum, elementary curriculum, experiential curriculum, traditional curriculum, shower curtain, initial curve, learning curve, sharp curve, local custom, be customer, regular customer, attract customer, lose customer, tempt customer, angry customer, direct customer, dissatisfied customer, help customer, important customer, keep customer, main customer, most customer, new customer, offer customer, ordinary customer, tell customer, treat customer, unhappy customer, wealthy customer, haircut, pay cut, salary cut, budget cut, company cut, get cut, energy cycle, life cycle, daily cycle, lunar cycle, natural cycle, short cycle, be damage, cause damage, environmental damage, serious damage, without damage, badly damage, crop damage, decrease damage, estimate damage, extensive damage, hurricane damage, irreparably damage, minimize damage, more damage, reduce damage, repair damage, suffer damage, especially damaging, profoundly damaging, like dance, ballet dancer, aerobic dancing, be danger, great danger, no danger, possible danger, avoid danger, potential danger, realize danger, unexpected danger, most dangerous, extremely dangerous, more dangerous, possibly dangerous, potentially dangerous, so dangerous, very dangerous, personal data, flight data, change date, early date, expiration date, future date, have date, proper date, online dating, analyze datum, collect datum, gather datum, new datum, release datum, sufficient datum, user datum, valuable datum, advise daughter, old daughter, bear daughter, have daughter, during day, few day, 2 day, work day, labor day, first day, 5 day, old day, good day, other day, per day, bad day, fine day, get day, go day, present day, beautiful day, early day, keep day, nice day, rainy day, several day, single day, sunny day, take day, wait day, whole day, cloudy day, cold day, following day, half day, last day, lovely day, modern day, next day, off day, pleasant day, same day, spend day, start day, travel day, walk day, wedding day, winter day, wonderful day, set deadline, great deal, big deal, price deal, special deal, make deal, do deal, good deal, pay deal, car dealer, premature death, accept death, accidental death, approach death, cause death, early death, experience death, face death, sudden death, endless debate, energetic debate, fierce debate, fuel debate, global debate, whole debate, ongoing debate, passionate debate, scientific debate, serious debate, warming debate, national debt, loan debt, pay debt, reduce debt, past decade, next decade, few decade, several decade, last decade, recent decade, during decade, then decide, finally decide, reluctantly decide, that decide, make decision, reach decision, bad decision, buying decision, difficult decision, ethical decision, fair decision, fateful decision, right decision, sensible decision, similar decision, disastrous decision, final decision, firm decision, informed decision, objective decision, rational decision, small decision, support decision, tough decision, wise decision, wrong decision, more decisive, act decisively, report declare, moral decline, sale decline, dramatic decline, mental decline, performance decline, cause decline, further decline, gradual decline, overall decline, rate decline, sharp decline, significant decline, slight decline, slow decline, beautifully decorate, house decoration, efficiency decrease, greatly decrease, height decrease, level decrease, percentage decrease, rapidly decrease, good deed, heroic deed, so deep, dig deep, too deep, sleep deeply, think deeply. Lawyer defend, effective defense, national defense, vitamin deficiency, attention deficit, broadly define, clearly define, accepted definition, college degree, master degree, have degree, business degree, law degree, undergraduate degree, academic degree, art degree, award degree, complete degree, high degree, advanced degree, associate degree, bachelor degree, developed degree, doctoral degree, engineering degree, finished degree, least degree, low degree, professional degree, reach degree, receive degree, specialized degree, university degree, reduced delay, flight delay, more delicate, incredibly delicious, be delighted, most delightful, food deliver, message deliver, mail delivery, food delivery, suspend delivery, arrange delivery, express delivery, home delivery, natural delivery, postal delivery, spontaneous delivery, increase demand, meet demand, great demand, high demand, considerable demand, consumer demand, customer demand, domestic demand, fulfill demand, have demand, new demand, satisfy demand, most demanding, very demanding, study demonstrate, especially demonstrate, research demonstrate, see dentist, emergency department, personnel department, education department, science department, university department, audit department, different department, engineering department, fire department, labor department, manage department, marketing department, medical department, police department, sale department, top department, largely depend, so depend, over dependence, become dependent, over dependent, heavily dependent, highly dependent, too dependent, vividly depict, feel depressed, clinically depressed, Great Depression, treat depression, during depression, fight depression, major depression, severe depression, sleep deprivation, measure depth, ocean depth, reach depth, accurately describe, article describe, simply describe, well describe, writer describe, document describe, word describe, brief description, detailed description, fit description, provide description, adequate description, comprehensive description, general description, certainly deserve, aid design, system design, product design, art design, new design, originally design, program design, study design, architectural design, backpack design, badly design, building design, cleverly design, course design, engine design, excellent design, fashion design, final design, good design, guide design, house design, machine design, organization design, primarily design, project design, ship design, smart design, specially design, teaching design, urban design, fashion designer, lead designer, interior designer, aviation designer, chief designer, game designer, hire designer, professional designer, top designer, most desirable, strong desire, curb desire, satisfy desire, basic desire, have desire, human desire, lose desire, show desire, stimulate desire, information desk, reception desk, so desperate, tourist destination, hot destination, reach destination, completely destroy, fire destroy, cause destruction, economic destruction, Environmental destruction. Forest destruction. Most destructive. More detail. Provide detail. Remember detail. Give detail. Minute detail. Small detail. Specific detail. Record detail. Add detail. Check detail. Exact detail. Forget detail. Ignore detail. Other detail. Recall detail. Technical detail. More detailed. Early detection. Motion detector. Laundry detergent. Situation deteriorate. Mental deterioration. Show determination. Factor determine. Genetically determine. Self-determine. More determined. Industry develop. Culture develop. Fully develop. Rapidly develop. Specially develop. Symptom develop. Technology develop. Well developed. Product developer. Child development. Rapid development. Promote development. Human development. Brain development. Economic development. Fast development. Language development. Estate development. Further development. Future development. Hinder development. Intellectual development. Product development. Recent development. Sustainable development. Technological development. Affect development. Boost development. Collaborative development. Company development. Emotional development. Energy development. Ensure development. Full development. Healthy development. Historical development. Impede development. Important development. Keep development. Mental development. Moral development. New development. Overall development. Person development. Personality development. Physical development. Population development. Positive development. Report development. Trace development. Urban development. Electronic device. Use device. Digital device. Security device. Other device. Portable device. Wireless device. Advanced device. Attached device. Automatic device. Camera device. Communication device. Connect device. Cooking device. Drilling device. Indispensable device. Inexpensive device. Mobile device. Recording device. Screen device. Such device. Tiny device. Too devoted. Wrongly diagnose. Cancer diagnosis. Meaningful dialogue. Open dialogue. Keep diary. Use dictionary. People die. Healthy diet. Poor diet. Standard diet. Balanced diet. Feed diet. Have diet. Traditional diet. Unhealthy diet. Taste differ. Make difference. Be difference. Cultural difference. Show difference. Tell difference. Regional difference. Wide difference. Advocate difference. Big difference. Clear difference. Compare difference. Detect difference. Explain difference. Feel difference. Great difference. Illustrate difference. Immense difference. Individual difference. Main difference. Marked difference. Much difference. Physical difference. Remarkable difference. Sex difference. Study difference. Such difference. Be different. Very different. Quite different. Entirely different. More different. Slightly different. So different. Totally different. Vastly different. Think differently. More difficult. Most difficult. Become difficult. Extremely difficult. Very difficult. Get difficult. Too difficult. Really difficult. So difficult. Increasingly difficult. Particularly difficult. Pretty difficult. Have difficulty. Great difficulty. Financial difficulty. Academic difficulty. Cause difficulty. Considerable difficulty. Encounter difficulty. Ignore difficulty. Increase difficulty. Insurmountable difficulty. Particular difficulty. Unconquerable difficulty. Various difficulty. Improve digestion. Sacrifice dignity. Face dilemma. Moral dilemma. Eat dinner. Have dinner. Christmas dinner. Cook dinner. Fancy dinner. Good dinner. Late dinner. Make dinner. Prepare dinner. Carbon dioxide. Most direct. Opposite direction. Decision direction. Multiple direction. overall direction, right direction. Set direction, lead directly, affect directly, confront directly, talk directly, art director, executive director, marketing director, program director, sale director, assistant director, appoint director, artistic director, managing director, medical director, telephone directory, have disability, potential disadvantage, slight disadvantage, author disagree, widespread disagreement, effect disappear, feel disappointed, be disappointed, somewhat disappointed, greatly disappointed, very disappointed, be disappointing, great disappointment, natural disaster, environmental disaster, financial disaster, future disaster, potential disaster, quickly disband, self-discipline, academic discipline, new discipline, strong discipline, different discipline, enforce discipline, maintain discipline, more discipline, observe discipline, physical discipline, political discontent, big discount, additional discount, offer discount, scientist discover, soon discover, people discover, researcher discover, scientific discovery, important discovery, major discovery, new discovery, great discovery, make discovery, recent discovery, age discrimination, gender discrimination, against discrimination, ban discrimination, prohibit discrimination, probably discuss, join discussion, online discussion, lively discussion, different discussion, further discussion, heated discussion, led discussion, national discussion, public discussion, roundtable discussion, start discussion, heart disease, treat disease, cure disease, Alzheimer's disease, fatal disease, induce disease, prevent disease, serious disease, various disease, autoimmune disease, environmental disease, fight disease, gum disease, have disease, human disease, infectious disease, lung disease, particular disease, rare disease, resist disease, spread disease, widespread disease, delicious dish, different dish, main dish, popular dish, prepare dish, soufflé dish, traditional dish, vegetable dish, much dishonest, simply dislike, mental disorder, sleep disorder, behavioral disorder, cognitive disorder, emotional disorder, mood disorder, light display, waste disposal, trash disposal, legal dispute, medical dispute, labor dispute, same dispute, settle dispute, express dissatisfaction, long distance, keep distance, comfortable distance, cover distance, gap distance, great distance, increase distance, short distance, travel distance, more distant, make distinction, most distinguished, easily distract, such distraction, cause distress, emotional distress, great distress, evenly distribute, widely distribute, water distribution, school district, business district, city district, fashionable district, financial district, historic district, west district, sleep disturbance, scuba diver, more diverse, ethnically diverse, extremely diverse, achieve diversity, cultural diversity, encourage diversity, great diversity, such diversity, wide diversity, digital divide, generational divide, sharply divide, ethnic divide, scuba diving, social division, security division, sharp division, get divorce, probably do, actually do, just do, never do, yet do, well do, also do, still do, already do, certainly do, nor do, see doctor, visit doctor, ask doctor, call doctor, consult doctor, important document, sign document, burn document, legal document, official document, report document, submit document, pet dog, train dog, $1 billion, cost dollar, have dollar, multi-billion dollar, pay dollar, affect domestically, global domination, make donation, private donation, potential donor, prospective donor, spell doom, open door, closed door, back door, car door, front door, locked door, next door, college dormitory, large dose, take dose, almost double, nearly double, price double, stunt double, have doubt, beyond doubt, more doubtful, sit down, upside down, fall down, slide down, energy drain, huge drain, comedy drama, more dramatic, too dramatic, rise dramatically, change dramatically, grow dramatically, increase dramatically, have dream, realize dream, childhood dream, horrible dream, just dream, love dream, many dream, silk dress, wear dress, black dress, new dress, nicely dress, oil drilling, soft drink, sugary drink, blended drink, sweet drink, free drink, regular drinker, tea drinker, tea drinking, control drinking, excessive drinking, heavy drinking, self-drive, people drive, when drive, personal drive, test drive, taxi driver, teenage driver, professional driver, learner driver, truck driver, aggressive driver, bus driver, careful driver, good driver, inexperienced driver, novice driver, other driver, skilled driver, test driver, dramatic drop, immediately drop, just drop, number drop, pressure drop, price drop, sharp drop, accidental drowning, take drug, prescription drug, abuse drug, effective drug, invent drug, abnormally dry, very dull, improve durability, average duration, shortened duration, empty dustbin, family duty, fulfill duty, have duty, neglect duty, off duty, royal duty, urgent duty, too eager, right ear, too early, leave early, arrive early, retire early, wake early, so early, very early, go early, relatively early, gold earring, frozen earth, whole earth, green earth, violent earthquake, fit easily, far east, much easy, look easy, quite easy, so easy, very easy, people eat, family eat, never eat, healthy eating, contemporary economist, global economy, world economy, stimulate economy, nation economy, boost economy, improve economy, local economy, achieve economy, advanced economy, American economy, develop economy, fuel economy, large economy, maintain economy, new economy, undermine economy, weak economy, cutting edge, competitive edge, rounded edge, line edge, outer edge, smooth edge, print edition, new edition, final edition, hardcover edition, paperback edition, newspaper editor, well educate, highly educate, get education, receive education, school education, college education, childhood education, further education, have education, preschool education, public education, quality education, child education, early education, formal education, good education, physical education, provide education, more education, proper education, pursue education, true education, university education, afford education, basic education, effective education, finance education, graduate education, health education, higher education, history education, kindergarten education, least education, local education, online education, poor education, sex education, tertiary education, undergraduate education, without education, become educator, have effect, negative effect, positive effect, side effect, harmful effect, produce effect, profound effect, same effect, analyze effect, bad effect, create effect, cumulative effect, deterrent effect, environmental effect, possible effect, reverse effect, show effect, similar effect, study effect, biological effect, considerable effect, direct effect, disruptive effect, health effect, huge effect, immediate effect, magic effect, major effect, net effect, opposite effect, predict effect, reduce effect, serious effect, take effect, test effect, unintended effect, be effective, more effective, most effective, highly effective, increasingly effective, less effective, particularly effective, quite effective, really effective, seldom effective, truly effective, communicate effectively, cope effectively, decrease effectiveness, assess effectiveness, reduce effectiveness, economic efficiency, improve efficiency, increase efficiency, raise efficiency, administrative efficiency, decrease efficiency, fuel efficiency, greater efficiency, learning efficiency, low efficiency, test efficiency, energy efficient, more efficient, most efficient, so efficient, very efficient, cost efficient, increasingly efficient, work efficiently, make effort, require effort, combine effort, conservation effort, improvement effort, collective effort, determined effort, endless effort, focus effort, government effort, great effort, increase effort, individual effort, initial effort, joint effort, less effort, painstaking effort, relief effort, rescue effort, research effort, special effort, take effort, boil egg, break egg, lay egg, ancient Egyptian, very elaborate, more elaborate, truly elegant, chemical element, beneficial element, contain element, essential element, many element, separate element, basic element, central element, important element, natural element, possible element, wild elephant, somewhere else. Receive email, check email, feel embarrassed, somewhat embarrassed, terribly embarrassed, too embarrassed, very embarrassed, most embarrassing, cause embarrassment, severe embarrassment. Fully embody, fully embrace, problem emerge, soon emerge, medical emergency, serious emergency, carbon emission, gas emission, curb emission, gasoline emission, reduce emission, express emotion, control emotion, different emotion, feel emotion, hide emotion, intense emotion, manage emotion, same emotion, more emotional, feel empathy, great emphasis, place emphasis, more emphasis, heavy emphasis, current emphasis, lay emphasis, little emphasis, Roman Empire, self-employ, many employee, foreign employee, hire employee, motivate employee, retired employee, bank employee, company employee, female employee, junior employee, public employee, recruit employee, training employee, trust employee, current employer, potential employer, become employer, large employer, prospective employer, seek employment, total employment, almost empty, recently encounter, also encourage, need encourage, give encouragement, spiritual encouragement, most encouraging, high end, mark end, tragic end, very end, back end, front end, year end, seemingly endless, physical endurance, hidden enemy, potential enemy, feel energetic, most energetic, emotional energy, solar energy, physical energy, save energy, use energy, enough energy, import energy, provide energy, affordable energy, clean energy, conserve energy, consume energy, control energy, create energy, devote energy, gather energy, generate energy, have energy, lack energy, maintain energy, nuclear energy, require energy, waste energy, actively engage, search engine, airplane engine, car engine, fire engine, gasoline engine, petrol engine, run engine, civil engineer, electrical engineer, become engineer, environment engineer, service engineer, Study engineering, electrical engineering, modern engineering, New England. Speak English, greatly enhance, flavor enhancer, people enjoy, always enjoy, quite enjoy, really enjoy, greatly enjoy, more enjoyable, pure enjoyment. Greatly enlarge, spiritual enlightenment, good enough, far enough, simple enough, strong enough, college enrollment, mechanism ensure, just enter, now enter. Free enterprise, large enterprise, more entertaining, afternoon entertainment, great enthusiasm, show enthusiasm, arouse enthusiasm, keep enthusiasm, lose enthusiasm, much enthusiasm. Natural enthusiasm, be enthusiastic, very enthusiastic, fail entirely, economic entity, subway entrance, force entry, forced entry, illegal entry, be envious. Natural environment, create environment, new environment, pleasant environment, social environment, change environment, city environment, improve environment, own environment, physical environment. Protect environment, work environment, biological environment, clean environment, cultural environment, healthy environment, ideal environment, office environment, outside environment, pollute environment. Preserve environment, ruin environment, safe environment, special environment, specific environment, strange environment, supportive environment, unfamiliar environment, urban environment, old episode. Gender equality, achieve equality, promote equality, workplace equality, simply equate, balance equation, well equip, communication equipment, maintain equipment, tech equipment. Use equipment, factory equipment, fitness equipment, other equipment, replace equipment, right equipment, ski equipment, adequate equipment, buy equipment, damage equipment. Emergency equipment, handheld equipment, have equipment, install equipment, lab equipment, lack equipment, monitor equipment, navigation equipment, necessary equipment, old equipment. Outdated equipment, playground equipment, require equipment, research equipment, scientific equipment, specialist equipment, specific equipment, such equipment, training equipment, usual equipment. Computer era, industrial era, modern era, new era, Victorian era, against erosion, medical error, grammatical error, possible error, reduce error. Human error, spelling error, volcanic eruption, attempt escape, narrow escape, write essay, short essay, read essay, be essential, well establish. Medical establishment, real estate, housing estate, self-esteem, low esteem, rough estimate, study estimate, population estimate, act ethically, fair evaluation. Job evaluation, objective evaluation, Christmas Eve, festival eve, stressful event, world event, big event, major event, positive event, record event. Significant event, sport event, emotional event, extreme event, life event, local event, negative event, social event, sporting event, stage event. Track event, weather event, almost everywhere, provide evidence, strong evidence, accumulate evidence, conclusive evidence, consider evidence, considerable evidence, early evidence. Examine evidence, find evidence, further evidence, hard evidence, ignore evidence, limited evidence, more evidence, offer evidence, present evidence, produce evidence. Scientific evidence, see evidence, against evil, necessary evil, undergo evolution, human evolution, society evolve, somewhat exaggerated, without exaggeration, take exam. Final exam, math exam, college exam, do exam, driver exam, last exam, level exam, medical exam, midterm exam, pass exam. careful examination, oral examination, take examination, closely examine, follow example, set example, good example, typical example, concrete example, many example, take example, bad example, dramatic example, find example, great example, interesting example, prime example, vivid example, achieve excellence, academic excellence. Rare exception, without exception, be exceptional, bark excessively, international exchange, cultural exchange, student exchange, be excited, get excited, most excited. So excited, sound excited, very excited, be exciting, most exciting, very exciting, make excuse, find excuse, good excuse, provide excuse. Chief executive, account executive, business executive, senior executive, junior executive, successful executive, top executive, physical exercise, do exercise, aerobic exercise. Regular exercise, take exercise, complete exercise, free exercise, get exercise, good exercise, hard exercise, occasional exercise, riding exercise, physical exertion. Feel exhausted, too exhausted, physically exhausting, utter exhaustion, museum exhibit, architectural exhibition, online exhibition, long exist, never exist, actually exist, already exist, ever exist, possibility exist, prejudice exist, question exist, still exist, confirm existence, daily existence, deny existence, long existence. Company expand, gradually expand, greatly expand, large expansion, business expansion, company expansion, economic expansion, facilitate expansion, global expansion, people expect, man expect, normally expect, originally expect, then expect, life expectancy, have expectancy, increase expectancy, modest expectation, realistic expectation, common expectation, great expectation, have expectation, high expectation, low expectation, lower expectation, match expectation, meet expectation, social expectation, society expectation, unrealistic expectation. Living expense, total expense, save expense, decrease expense, medical expense, administrative expense, cut expense, family expense, high expense, huge expense. Increase expense, most expense, own expense, production expense, public expense, reduce expense, vast expense, more expensive, less expensive, too expensive, very expensive, extremely expensive, most expensive, really expensive, have experience, learning experience, life experience, own experience, share experience, work experience. More experience, enrich experience, drive experience, personal experience, relate experience, teaching experience, unhappy experience, accumulate experience, administrative experience, college experience, common experience, education experience, everyday experience, never experience, rich experience, shopping experience, similar experience, terrible experience, unique experience, working experience, awkward experience, bad experience, bring experience, career experience, considerable experience, cooking experience, create experience, current experience, daily experience, direct experience, driving experience, exchange experience, exciting experience, explore experience, first experience, gain experience, great experience, history experience, human experience, immigrant experience, important experience, impressive experience, improve experience, joyful experience, lack experience, management experience, meaningful experience, need experience, negative experience, new experience, old experience, online experience, painful experience, previous experience, prior experience, professional experience, related experience, relevant experience, religious experience, relive experience, report experience, rewarding experience, satisfying experience, social experience, sophisticated experience, stressful experience, successful experience, unpleasant experience, useful experience, valuable experience, writing experience, more experienced, do experiment, conduct experiment, chemical experiment, further experiment, lab experiment, laboratory experiment, make experiment, many experiment, new experiment, physics experiment, project experiment, recent experiment, health expert, other expert, agricultural expert, agriculture expert, become expert, care expert, career expert, computer expert, energy expert, higher expert, language expert, local expert, most expert, planning expert, real expert, security expert, senior expert, training expertise, partly explain, well explain, adequate explanation, demand explanation, have explanation, possible explanation, provide explanation, seek explanation, standard explanation, mercilessly exploit, against exploitation, commercial exploitation, space exploration, oil exploration, scientific exploration, study explore, space explorer, knowledge explosion, sudden explosion, ban export, country export, increase export, stop export, large exporter, brief exposure, intense exposure, limited exposure, single exposure, people express, well express, common expression, facial expression, free expression, idea expression, powerful expression, self-expression, structure expression, tense expression, more expressive, more extensive, certain extent, limit extent, limited extent, oil extraction, more extreme, too extreme, watchful eye, blue eye, close eye, critical eye, dry eye, open eye, own eye, protect eye, shut eye, raise eyebrow, protect eyesight, organic fabric, problem face, human face, woman face, challenge face, look face, new face, make face, angry face, funny face, lose face,